Guruvayurappan. We are going to start today the beautiful chapter 54. This is Hanumanji setting fire to Lanka. As Hanumanji had been bound by Brahmastra by Indrajit and he was dragged to the assembly of Ravana, Hanumanji boldly told Ravana that he has discovered Sita Mata in his Ashokavana and therefore it is adharmam for him to keep another man's woman, and therefore if he does not return her, he will incur much sin and destruction of the entire Kula, as Sita Mata is Kala Ratri. He boldly told him everything, and then he said, I am the messenger of Sugriva, and Rama has sent me, I am Ramaduta. And so Ravana was furious, and then he instructed Prahasta to kill him. Then Vibhishana intervened and said, we cannot kill a messenger, we will incur sin, and it's against Raja Dharma. Ravana didn't care. He said, another thing, he said, you are a brave warrior. It's a good chance for you to, fight a war with Rama, Lakshmana. You fight and you prevail and you become famous in the three worlds, etc., etc. That made Ravana, listen to him. And so instead of killing him, they set fire to his tail. Then that was the last chapter, 53. Hanumanji's tail is on fire. He's he's thinking, I will bear all pain for the sake of my Rama. He made a sankalpam first. He was dragged in the roads, etc., and made fun of, but he made a sankalpam, I will bear all insult and pain for the sake of Rama. Immediately as he has made the sankalpam, next sloka we see Sita Mata is praying. When somebody told her Hanumanji's fire is set on tail, she said, Agni Bhagavane, please keep my Bhakta, my son Hanumanji safe. When Sita Mata prayed, Agni Bhagavan obeyed, and then instead of burning Hanuman, it gave a cool air and nicely fanned the flames. Hanumanji got enthusiasm because of this. Said, it's a Rama Prabhava. Is it Sita Mata's tapas? Or because I am son of Vayu Bhagavan, that Agni is not hurting me. Ne? With that enthusiasm, he got a message from Bhagavan. It's like, go ahead, go do what you want, go. Like that, our Hanumanji now, he decided to punish the Rakshasas. So that is called Lanka Dahanam. It is also considered that it will burn all our sins. So today also I came to know it is Hanuman Jayanti. It comes 3 different times, etc. Anyway, we are good. In North America, North India, it's today Hanuman Jayanti. Tuesday is for Hanumanji, Saturday is for Hanumanji. Our Shani Bhagavan is in the Mutti of Hanumanji. Our Shani Bhagavan was conquered and kept in check in Ravana's palace. All the 9 grahas were controlled by Ravana and he was holding them. They could not do anything. And as a result of which Shani Bhagavan is held, the world balance was in disarray. There was disorder in the universe because there was not punishment given for evil, and Shani Bhagavan could not do anything. So then the Devas are praying to Hanumanji. Then Hanumanji was the one who went to Ravana's palace and he released Shani Devata. And Shani Devata said, thank you, you have released me now. Nobody will, I will not affect your bhaktas. And so Tuesday and Saturday are for Hanumanji. Shani Bhagavan will not touch the bhaktas of Hanumanji. Ipadine many blessings Hanumanji has. So here we are going to see Sargam 54. वीक्षमाणस्ततो लङ्कां कपिकृतमनोरथः वर्धमानसमुत्साहः कार्यशेषम् अचिन्तयते किं नु कल्पवशिष्टं मे कर्तव्यम् इह साम्प्रतं यदेषां रक्षसां भूयः सन्तापजननं भवेत् वनं तावत् प्रमथितं प्रकृष्टा राक्षसा हताः वलैकदेशक्षपितः शेषं दुर्गविनाशनं दुर्गे विनाशिते कर्म भवेत् सुखपरिश्रमम् अल्पयत्नेन कार्येऽस्मिन् मम स्यात् सफलश्रमः वीक्षमाणस्ततो लङ्कां कपिकृतमनोरथः वर्धमानसमुत्साहः कार्यशेषम् अचिन्तयत् वशिष्ठं मे, what else can I do here? कर्तव्यमिह साम्प्रतम्. Yadesham Rakshasa Bhuyah Santapa. Innam the Rakshasal Innam Sandapam. What more suffering can I give them? Varam Tavad Pramatitam Prakrishta Rakshasa. I have already destroyed Ashokavana. Now I have killed all their troops. Now I can do some more harm for them. I have already destroyed all the forts of Lanka. Now what else can I do to give more, custom for them? I will ravage the city. Durge vinashide karma bhavet sukha parishramam alpayatnena karyesmin mama syat safalashramaha. If I do this, all my effort would be successful 100%. So, yo hyayam mamalangule deepyade havyavahanaha asya santarpanam nyayam kartumebir grihottamaihi. यो ह्ययं मम लाङ्गूले दीप्यते हव्यवाहनः अस्य सन्तर्पणं न्यायं कर्तुमेभिर्गृहोत्तमैः तद प्रदीप्तलाङ्गूलः स विद्युदिवतो यदः भवनाग्रेषु लङ्काया विचचार महाकविः तद प्रदीप्तलाङ्गूलः स विद्युदिवतो यदः भवनाग्रेषु लङ्काया विचचार महाकविः गृहं राक्षसानाम् उद्यानानि च वानरः ईक्षमाणो ह्यसन्त्रस्तः प्रासादांश्च चचारसः गृहं राक्षसानाम् उद्यानानि च वानरः ईक्षमाणो ह्यसन्त्रस्तः प्रासादांश्च चचारसः अवप्लुत्य महावेगः प्रहस्तस्य निवेशनम् अग्निं तत्र स निक्षिप्य श्वसनेन समोबली अवप्लुत्य महावेगः प्रहस्तस्य निवेशनम् अग्निं तत्र स निक्षिप्य श्वसनेन समोबली. His kindness by giving him more things to eat. Swaha, Swaha we give for Agni Bhagavan. What is that? We put materials and give Agni Bhagavan Ahuti. Like that, I'll give this city to Agni Bhagavan. I'll burn him and give him more food. So that is how he's repaying Agni Bhagavan. So that is my gratitude for Agni Bhagavan. Asya santarpanam nyayam kartu me bihi griduhottamaihi. Therefore, he Hanumanji said, this good idea, he's satisfied, and therefore he went from terrace to terrace, jumping up from one house to another. How he came in the first time, and he went from house to house searching for Sita Mata. Same order he is going, house to burn. So, griham rakshasana udyanani cha vanaraha ikshamaano hyasantrastaha prasadam cha chacharasaha. He went from house to house, he went from park to park, he saw beautiful compounds and all these beautiful places, and fearlessly he is wandering everywhere. Abhi kya fear? He just like showed his might. Avaplatya mahavegah prahastasya niveshanam. First house prahasta. Agrim tatra sanichipya shvasanena samobali. He set fire to Prahasta's house. Then Tadvanyar, first minister akkum, ரொம்ப close minister, Prahasta. Then he's done. Tatvanyar pupluve veshma mahapashvasya vidyavan mumocha hanumanagnim kalanala shigopamam. Tatvanyar pupluve veshma mahapashvasya vidyavan mumocha hanumanagnim कालानल शिगोपमं वज्रदंष्ट्रस्य च तथा पुप्लुवे समहाकविः शुकस्य च महातेजः सारणस्य च धीमदः वज्रदंष्ट्रस्य च तथा पुप्लुवे समहाकविः शुकस्य च महातेजः सारणस्य च धीमदः तदा चेन्द्रजितो विष्म तदाह हरियूतपः जम्बुमाले सुमालेश्च तदाह भवनं तदः तदा चेन्द्रजितो विष्म तदाह हरियूतपः जम्बुमाले सुमालेश्च तदाह भवनं तदः रश्मिकेतोश्च भवनं सूर्यशत्रोस्तथैव च प्रस्त्वकर्णस्य दंष्ट्रस्य रोमशस्य च रक्षसः रश्मिकेतुश्च भवनं सूर्यशत्रो तथैव च प्रस्त्वकर्णस्य दंष्ट्रस्य रोमशस्य च रक्षसः तथा. Next was Vajradamshtra mansion burn பண்றான். எங்க இன்சூரன்ஸ் கிளைம் பண்ணுவா போச்சு. Pupluve sa mahakavihi shukasya cha mahatejaha. Shuka and Sharana, these are all very alert and shrewd people. Ellare burned. But tada Chendrajito Vishwa Indrajit house burnt. Jambumali Mali, next. Jambumali, Sumalis, then Rashmiketushtabhavanam, Surya Shatru, Sadaiva, Rashmiketu, Surya Shatru, all house burnt. Rashmiketushtabhavanam, Surya Shatru, Sadaiva, Hrastvakarnasya, Dumtrasya, Romashasya, Rakshasah, then next. युद्धोन्मत्तस्य मत्तस्य ध्वजग्रीवस्य रक्षसः विद्युज्जिह्वस्य घोरस्य तथा हस्तिमुखस्य च युद्धोन्मत्तस्य मत्तस्य ध्वजग्रीवस्य रक्षसः विद्युज्जिह्वस्य घोरस्य तथा हस्तिमुखस्य च कराळस्य पिशाचस्य शोणिताक्षस्य चैव हि कुम्भकर्णस्य भवनं मकराक्षस्य चैव हि कराळस्य पिशाचस्य शोणिताक्षस्य चैव हि कुम्भकर्णस्य भवनं मकराक्षस्य चैव हि यज्ञशत्रोश्च भवनं ब्रह्मशत्रोस्तथैव च नरान्तकस्य कुम्भस्य निकुम्भस्य दुरात्मनः यज्ञशत्रोश्च भवनं ब्रह्मशत्रोस्तथैव च नरान्तकस्य कुम्भस्य निकुम्भस्य दुरात्मनः अर्जयित्वा महातेजा विभीषणगृहं प्रदी क्रममाणक्रमेणैव तदाह हरिपुङ्गवः वर्जयित्वा महातेजा विभीषणगृहं प्रदी क्रममाणक्रमेणैव ददाह हरिपुङ्गवः. He burnt Dwajagriva. Then Vidyujjihva he burnt. Ghorasya tata Hastimukhasya cha Hastimukha. All the Rakshasa house burnt. Then Karala, Pishacha, Shonitaksha, all of them. Then Kumbhakarna. Yajna Shatroscha Bhavanam, Brahma Shatro, his name is Yajna Shatru. You can imagine what action he will be doing. Then Brahma Shatru, Yajna Shatroscha Bhavanam, Brahma Shatros Tadaivacha, Narantaka, Kumbhasya, Kumbha, Nikumbha, Ella house burnt. Then when Vibhishana house came, he slowly left. Varjayitva Mahateja, Vibhishanagrihan Pradi, Kramamanakramenaiva Dadaha, Haripungavaha. All this Ravana will remember later, I think, because first Vibhishana is making a recommendation for Hanumanji not to kill him. Then Vibhishana's house is only spared. Then finally it is Vibhishana giving advice to Ravana, to give back Sita Mata. Otherwise Vibhishana then afterwards left. So all this would have made Ravana even more mad, right? Whose side are you on? You would ask him, right? First you are defending the enemy not to be killed, and then he saved your house. Our houses are all burnt, but he left your house. Are you in doing some spy work over there? Go! Like that Indrajit, punished him and he was expelled. So Vibhishana came for Rama Sharanagati, right? So Teshu Mahaneshu Bhavaneshu Mahayashaha Griheshu Riddhi Madam Riddhim Dadaha Samahakapihi Teshu Mahaneshu Bhavaneshu Mahayashaha Griheshu Riddhi Madam Riddhim Dadaha Samahakapihi सर्वेषां समधिक्रम्य राक्षसेन्द्रस्य वीर्यवान् आससादाद लक्ष्मीवान् रावणस्य निवेशनम् सर्वेषां समधिक्रम्य राक्षसेन्द्रस्य वीर्यवान् आससादाद लक्ष्मीवान् रावणस्य निवेशनम् ततस्तस्मिन् गृहे मुखे नानारत्नविभूषिते मेरुमन्दरसङ्काशे सर्वमङ्गलशोभिते ततस्तस्मिन् गृहे मुखे नानारत्नविभूषिते मेरुमन्दरसङ्काशे सर्वमङ्गलशोभिते प्रदीप्तमग्निमुत्सृज्य लाङ्गूलाग्रे प्रतिष्ठितं ननाद हनुमान् वीरो युगान्ते जलदो यदा प्रदीप्तमग्निमुत्सृज्य लाङ्गूलाग्रे प्रतिष्ठितं ननाद हनुमान् वीरो युगान्ते जलदो यथा. So many gates inside you have to go, etc. So much security, right? Such houses of officials and all, Mount Road, Chennai and all, right? Or celebrity houses in LA we have seen. And the Madri houses, they are, all are like so expensive with full of luxuries, pearls and corals and navaratnas and all material wealth. Griheshu riddhi madam riddhim dadasa mahakapihi, burnt allam. सर्वेषां समधिक्रम्य राक्षसेन्द्रस्य वीर्यवान् आससादाद लक्ष्मीवान् रावणस्य निवेशनौ. He entered palace of Ravana also. Tatastasmin grihe mukhye nanaratna vibhushide grihe mukhye, the primary palace of Ravana. It is decorated with Nana Ratna Vibhushide. All kind of Ratnas are there. Meru Mandara Sankashe. Beautiful, pearls, etc. Beautiful materials. And then its majesty of Meru Parvata. Sarva Mangala Shobide Pradiptamagnimutsrijya Lahagulagre Pratishtidam. He set fire to that. Then Nanada, and then he gave a big roar. Jai Hanuman, Jai Shri Ram. Nanada Hanuman Viro, Yugande Jaladu Yada. He roared like the clouds during the deluge. Angapudi Guruvarpan is smiling. I am in excitement mode. Then Shwasanena cha samyoga adivego mahabalaha कालाग्निरिवज्ज्वाल प्रावर्धत हुताशनः श्वसनेन च संयोगात् अधिवेगो महाबलः कालाग्निरिवज्ज्वाल प्रावर्धत हुताशनः प्रदीप्तमग्निं पवनस्तेषु वेश्मस्वचारयते प्रदीप्तमग्निं पवनः तेषु वेश्मस्वचारयते अभूश्वसन संयोगा प्रतिवेगो हुताशनः प्रदीप्तमग्निं पवनः तेषु वेश्मस्वचारयति अभूज्वसन संयोगादि अधिवेगो हुताशनः तानि काञ्चन जालानि मुक्तामणिमयानि च भवनानि व्यशीर्यन्त रत्नवन्ति महान्ति च तानि काञ्चन जालानि मुक्तामणिमयानि च भवनानि व्यशीर्यन्त रत्नवन्ति महान्ति च तानि भग्नविमानानि निपेतुर्धरणितले भवनानीव सिद्धानाम् अम्बरात् पुण्यसङ्क्षये तानि भग्नविमानानि निपेतुर्धरणितले भवनानीव सिद्धानाम् अम्बरात् पुण्यसङ्क्षये. And the wind is helping the fire intensify, so it's spreading so fiercely like Kalagni river. कालाग्निरिवज्ज्वाल प्रावर्धत हुताशनः प्रदीप्तमग्निं पवनस्तेषु वेश्मस्वचारयति. The wind is spreading the fire even more and more, and the fire became so severe and furious because of the wind action. Abhuchvasana samyoga adivego hudashanah tani kanjana jalani muktamanimaya nicha. All the mansions of Ravana, which were all covered with pearls and 9 kind of navaratnas, etc., and beautiful gopurams of gold, ellam ashes. Tani bhakna vimanani nipetur dharanitale. All the towers of Ravana's mansions, all the towers fell down, toppled down. Like one performing many yagas and has acquired so many punya and acquired deva vimana, etc. And when all those punya is getting over, the vimana is toppling down like that. Tani bhakta vimanani nipeturdarani tale bhavanani va siddhanam amvarat punya sankshaye. The punyam papam like the lakda. It is all in the realm of the mind. So we cannot get affected by punya papas, a problem here. So when he has acquired all punya, thinking he can be people like asuras like that, they just acquire more and more punya and try to keep their life very safe so that nothing will happen to them. But see, then they perform an adharma. The mind will not leave us. We keep on putting effort to take punya so that all things around us will be comfortable, right? If that is our intent, we are bound to fall one time. If punya alone is our goal, we are bound to fall, because the mind that is trying to be forcefully right always, it will also slip. The devas will test us because they will not allow us to exceed some punya beyond them. When Prithu Maharaja already did 99 Ashwamedha Yaga, is doing 100 now, some Vignam will come. So the punya accumulate panniya, devas will send some hindrance to us so that we won't develop. So punya is not the end. Punya is not the end. Mano Nigraham is the end for all of us. Total manasi illama, the all the karma we are doing for Guruvayurappan. That is our goal. Not punya is not our goal. Dharmam, adharmam are in the realm of mind. It's not for us. You have to go beyond the mind. So this all this punya he attained, thinking that he is going to be having everlasting, power. It didn't work. So everything punya samkshay. One karyam of adharmam. Bhavanani va siddhanam ambara punya samkshay sanjati tumula shabdo raktasanam. Now the rakshas are all crying. संजन्ते तुमुलशब्दो राक्षसानां प्रदावदां स्वगृहस्य परित्राणे भग्नोत्साहोर्जितश्रियां नूनमेषो अग्निरायातः कपिरूपेण इति संजन्ते तुमुलशब्दो राक्षसानां प्रदावदां स्वगृहस्य परित्राणे भग्नोत्साहोर्जितश्रियां नूनमेषो अग्निरायातः कपिरूपेण इति क्रन्दन्त्य सहसा पेदुः स्तनन्दयधर स्त्रियः काश्चित् अग्निपरीताङ्ग्यो हर्मेभ्यो मुक्तमूर्धजाः क्रन्दन्त्यः सहसा पेदुः स्तनन्दयधर स्त्रियः काश्चिदग्निपरीताङ्ग्यो हर्मेभ्यो मुक्तमूर्धजाः. Now for fire I run out of the house. All the Bhagnotsaha Sahojida Shriyam Utsaham Buchi Shriyam Buchi Illam Buchi. Nunamesho Agnidayataha. Is this Agni Bhagavan in the form of a monkey? Like that, the women are crying and withholding their children. They all came out. Padantyo Rejiri Abribhyaha Saudaminya Ivam Bharat Vajra Vidruma Vaiduryaha Mukta Vaidurya Mukta Rajada Samhida Chitran Bhavanan Datun Sendamananda Dashasaha Vajra Vidruma Vaidurya Mukta Rajata Samhida Chitran Bhavanan Datun Sendamananda Dashasaha Nagdi Stripyadikashtanam Trinaanam cha yatha tatha Nagdinapi Vishasthanam Rakchasanam Vasundhara Nagnistripyadi Kashtanam Trinaanam cha yatha tatha Nagdinapi Vishasthanam Rakchasanam Vasundhara Kvachit Kim Shuka Sankashaha Kvachit Shalmali Sannibaha Kvachit Kunguma Sankashaha Shikavaknesh Chakashiri Kvachit Kimshuka Sankashaha Kvachit Chalmali Sannibaha Kvachit Kunguma Sankashaha Shikavaknesh Chakashiri. Burning continuously. Sometimes the places look like a Kimshuk. Idala notes book or extra shloka. Kvachit Kimshuka Sankasha Kvachit Shalmali Sannibaha. The fire is looking like different things like a palashan or a flower, and another like shalmali flower, other place like a kunkuma, burning. All different places are turning to ashes, heaps of ashes very fast. Hanumata Vegavadavanarena Mahatmana Langapuram Pratagdam Tadrudrena Tripuram Yatha Tadastu Langapura Parvatagri Samutido Bhima Parakramo Agni Prasadya Chudavalayam Pradipto Hanumada Vegavada Visrishtaha Tadastu Lankapula Parvatagri तदस्तु लंकापुर पर्वताग्रे समुत्थितो भीम पराक्रमो अग्निः प्रसाद्य चूडावलयं प्रदीप्तो हनुमता वेगवदा विसृष्टः युगान्तकालानलतुल्यवेगः समारुतो अग्निर्ववृदे दिवि स्पृक् युगान्तकालानलतुल्यवेगः समारुतो अग्निर्ववृदे दिवि स्पृक् विधूमरश्मिः भवनेषु सक्तो रक्षशरीराज समर्पितार्चिः विधूमरश्मिः भवनेषु सक्तो रक्षशरीराज समर्पितार्चिः आदित्यकोटिसदृशस्तु तेज लङ्कां समस्तां परिवार्य तिष्ठन् शब्दैरनैकैरशनिप्ररूढैः बिन्दन्निवाण्डम् Prabhavo Mahagnihi Sahanamnu Bhagavadatlo chapter will come in 7th canto. Adumadi Brahmaji's Amsha of Lord Shiva also, Amsha of Vayu Bhagavan also. So that it burnt. Then Tadastu Lankapura, the mountain tops lelam fire is very common. Like that, the Trikuta Parvata peaks like in the Lanka. So that whole peaks, all of them are burning. All the mountain sides are burning. The Trikuta Parvata peak city is located. So the entire city On top of that, mountain is burning. Yuganta kalanala tulya vegaha yugantam. How the fire will be at the end of yuga, like that fierce fire has been created. Samarator agni vavride devis prak. Viduma Rashmi, not only the houses but the Rakshasas, then all the Viduma Rashmihi Bhavaneshu Sakto Raksha Shariraja Samarpitarchihi, all the Rakshasas are all offered in the fire. Then not only that, Aditya Koti Sadasha Suteja, Aditya Koti Sadasha, 1,000 crore suns atama burning on the fire. Aditya Koti Sadasha Suteja, Lankam Samastam Paribhadyatishtan, entire Lanka with all the people, and also Shabdair Anekair Ashani Prarudai, it also took all the grains, the food varieties, everything, all the Subiksham ellam pochu, and the sound produced by the Agni is blasting the earth itself. The Andam is shaking. Shabdair Anekair Ashani Prarudai, different sounds. Vindan Nivandam Prabhavo Maha Agnihi. This much massacre, destruction happened. Tatrambharadagni adipravriddho rukshaprava kimshuka pushpa chodaha nirvana dhumakula rajayascha nilotpalabha prachaka shirebraha tatrambharadagni pratipravriddho तत्राम्बरादग्निरधिप्रवृद्धो रुक्षप्रभ किंशुक पुष्पचूडः निर्वाणधूमाकुलराजयश्च नीलोत्पलाभा प्रचकाशिरे अभ्राः वज्री महेन्द्रस्त्रिदशेश्वरो वा साक्षात् यमो वा वरुणो नीलो वा रौद्रो अग्निरर्को धनदश्च सोमो न वानरोऽयं स्वयमेव कालः वज्री महेन्द्रस्त्रिदशेश्वरो वा साक्षात् यमो वा वरुणो नीलो वा रौद्रो अग्निरर्को धनदश्च सोमो न वानरोऽयं स्वयमेव कालः. And now they are crying. இப்பதா அவளுக்கு ஞானம் லைட் ஃபிளாஷ் வருது. They are telling Baba, who is this person? Is he Yama himself? He cannot be ordinary monkey. Is he Yama or Indra? That Indra Bukral இப்பதான் ஷேக் ஆகுது, ரைட்? இப்ப பனிஷ்மெண்ட் சாமதான பேத் தண்டத்துல தான் இவ attention you can get. Apo, now the attention is coming. So now they are saying, is he Indra who killed Vritrasura with his Vajrayuda? Or is he Yama himself, or is he Varuna, or is he Vayu Bhagavan? Rudra Agnirarko Dhanadascha Somo na Vanaroyam Swayameva Kalaha. Or is he Agni Bhagavan? Is he Surya Bhagavan? Is he Chandra Bhagavan? Is he Kubera or Rudra? Or is he Kala? Who has come here? Or is he Brahmaji? Kim Brahmana Sarva Pitamahasya Sarvasya Dhatu Chaturananasya Iha Gato Vanara Rupadari Rakshopasamhara Kara Prakopaha. Kim Brahmana Sarva Pitamahasya Sarvasya Dhatu Chaturananasya Iha Gato Vanara Rupadari Rakshopasamhara Kara Prakopaha. Kim Vaishnavam Va Kapirupametya रक्षो विनाशाय पुरं सुतेजः अनन्तम् अव्यक्तम् अचिन्त्यमेकं स्वमायया साम्प्रतम् आगतं वा किं वैष्णवं वा कपिरूपमेत्य रक्षो विनाशाय परं सुतेजः अनन्तम् अव्यक्तम् अचिन्त्यमेकं स्वमायया साम्प्रतम् आगतं वा इत्येवमूचुः बहवो विशिष्टा रक्षो गणास्तत्र समेत्य सर्वे स प्राणिसङ्गां समृहां सवृक्षां दग्धां पुरीं तां सहसा समीक्ष्य इत्येवमूचुः बहवो विशिष्टा रक्षो गणास्तत्र समेत्य सर्वे स प्राणिसङ्गां समृहां सवृक्षां दग्धां पुरीं तां सहसा समीक्ष्य. इसी नारायण himself. कपिरूपमेत्य रक्षो विनाशाय परं सुतेजः இப்பேற்பட்ட தேஜஸ் இசி நாராயண himself. நாராயண நன்னா தெரியுமா அவளுக்கு? See, they say, who is this Narayana? Anandam, Avyaktam, Achintyamegam. But yeah, they always know Narayana. They just like his enemy for them. They know him very well. அதனால்தான் எனிமையாவே இருக்கா. அனந்தம் அவ்யக்தம் அச்சி வேற யாருக்கும் இந்த அப்ஜெக்டிவ் கொடுக்கல. They didn't give this guna vishesham or this greatness of Narayana. Rakshasas are telling Anandam, Avyaktam, Achintyam, Ekam, Jai Guruvayappan. See, they are telling, is this Narayana who is beyond thought? புத்திக்கு மேல அப்பாற்பட்டது, கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாது, புத்திக்கு தெரியாது. You see this அவ்யக்தம் அவ்யக்தம் ரூபம் விவரிப்பன். You see, அப்ப நாராயணனை மெஸ் பண்ணினா போச்சு. That is it. So this is the Aishwaryam Ravana was praising to Sita before in chapter 21. You know how much Aishwaryam I have, 3 worlds of wealth I have here. Your Rama is just a Manusha wandering in the forest with nothing, and I have the wealth of the 3 worlds. You come and be my queen, I'll make you chief of my queens, and you can enjoy bhoga, unending luxuries, and wearing all kinds of gold and jewelry and enjoying life. Are Sita said, Pranavandara Kritva. He said, take it. She put a grass and said, all your wealth, all your bhoga, Aishwarya is like, Pranavandara Kritva, ஒரு கிராஸ்டா சொன்னா இல்லையா? இப்ப பாரு, இப்ப போச்சு இல்லையா எல்லாம் அந்த சீதைய பண்ணினானே. ஸோ எல்லாம் போச்சு. டோன்ட் மெஸ் வித் நாராயணா ஆர் ஹிஸ் பக்தா. किं वैष्णवं वा कपिरूपमेत्य रक्षो विनाशाय परं सुतेजः अनन्दम् अव्यक्तम् अचिन्त्यमेघं स्वमायया साम्प्रतमागतं वा इत्येवमूचुर्बहवो विशिष्टा. All are talking like this. रक्षोगणास्तत्र समेत्य सर्वे सप्राणिसङ्गां समृहां सवृक्षां दग्धां पुरीं तां सहसा समीक्ष्य ततस्तु लङ्का सहसा प्रदग्धा स राक्षसा साश्वरथा स नागा स पक्षिसङ्गा समृगा सवृक्षा रुरोदधीना तुमुलं सशब्दम्. पुत्रका कान्दा मित्रा जीवितं भोगयुधं सुपुण्यं रक्षोभिरेवं बहुधा ब्रुवद्भिः शब्दः कृतो घोरतरसुभीमः. तात पुत्रक कान्त मित्र जीवितं भोगयुधं सुपुण्यं रक्षोभिरेवं बहुधा ब्रुवद्भिः शब्दः कृतो घोरधर सुभीमः. उदाशनज्वाल समावृता सा अदप्रवीरा परिवृत्तयोधा हनुमदक्रोध बलाभिभूता बभूव शापोपहदेवलङ्का. उदाशनज्वाल समावृता सा अदप्रवीरा परिवृत्तयोधा हनुमदक्रोध बलाभिभूता बभूव शापोपहदेवलङ्का. तस्तविषण्ण राक्षसां समुज्ज्वल ज्वाल हुताशनाङ्गिनां तदर्श लङ्कां हनुमान् महामनाः स्वयंभुरोषोपहतामिवावनिम्. Seeing that all our bhogam and luxury and good fortune எல்லாம் போச்சேன்னு அழறா எல்லாரும். Bhagavan Hanumanji is watching. Many of them Rakshasas died like this. Hanumanji is there watching, standing up on the mountain and watching the city burn and thinking this is the God-oda shapam vandachi ivalukku. Now their time is changing. Bhantva vanam padaparatna sankulam atva tu rakshamsi mahandi samyoge tagdva purim tam griharatna malinim tastau hanuman pavanatmaja kabihi. Bhantva vanam padaparatna sankulam atva tu rakshamsi mahandi samyoge tagdva purim tam griharatna malinim tastau hanuman pavanatmaja kabihi. पादवरत्न संकुलम् हत्वा तुरक्षांसि महान्ति संयुगे तद्वा पुरीं तां गृहरत्नमालिनीं तस्थौ हनुमान् पवनात्मजः कविः. मनसा महात्मा. After burning everything, Hanumanji is again going back to his Ishta Devata Rama. Then all the devas are all praising him. Tatamstu Vanaravira Mukyam. All the devas are praising him. Bhantva vanam vadaparatna sankulam hatam tu rachamsi hatva tu rachamsi mahandi samyuge dadva purim tam griharatna malinim tastau hanuman pavanatmaja kapihi. Then all tadastu damvanara veera mukyam mahabalam maruta tulya vegam mahamadim vayusutam varishtam pratuštubur devaganascha sarve. देवाश्च सर्वे मुनिपुङ्गवाश्च गन्धर्वविद्याधरपन्नगाश्च भूतानि सर्वाणि महान्ति तत्र जग्मुः परां प्रीतिमतुल्यरूपां. देवाश्च सर्वे मुनिपुङ्गवाश्च गन्धर्वविद्याधरपन्नगाश्च भूतानि सर्वाणि महान्ति तत्र जग्मुः परां प्रीतिमतुल्यरूपां. भीमा रराजस महाकविः गृहाग्रशृङ्गाकृतले विचित्रे प्रतिष्ठितो वानरराजसिंहः प्रदीप्तलाङ्गूलकृतार्चिमाली यराजदादित्य इवार्चिमाली. गृहाग्रशृङ्गाकृतले विचित्रे प्रतिष्ठितो वानरराजसिंहः प्रदीप्तलाङ्गूलकृतार्चिमाली यराजदादित्यैवार्चिमालीं लङ्कां समस्तां सम्पीड्य लाङ्गूलाग्निं महाकविः निर्वापयामास तदा समुद्रे हरिपुङ्गवः तदो देवास गन्धर्वा सिद्धा च परमर्षयः दृष्ट्वा लङ्कां प्रदग्धां तां विस्मयं परमं गदा तं दृष्ट्वा वानरश्रेष्ठं हनुमन्दं महाकविं कालाग्निरिति संचिन्त्य सर्वभूतानि तत्र सूच्य श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकि आदिकाव्ये सुन्दरकाण्डे चतुःपञ्चाशत् सर्गः। हनुमान जी वानर श्रेष्ठं हनुमंद महाकविं कालाग्निरिति संचिन्त्य सर्वभूतानि तत्र सुः. Hanuman ji is our friend, so we all need Hanuman ji anugraham, whatever buddhi balam yasho dhairyam nirbhayatvam arogata ellathukkum Hanuman ji अजाट्यम बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगता अजाट्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत् स्मरणात् भवेत्. जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय जय राम राम हनुमत भगवान की जय. सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे. I was so happy yesterday. Hanuman ji Sundarakanda Ramanavami was recently, and then last week JG was calling me for Sundarakanda Parayana, and then yesterday Friday, first time even without my slightest planning or imagination, Ram Lalla idol was sent. Amazing, we are so blessed. Tomorrow Srimad Bhagavatam class, especially, right? So it's Priya Bhagyam Satsangam. So thank you for Gurunadhar Kripai and all of you pranam. Please stay with Satsangam and keep in touch with Bhagavan Nama always, and so we will make it. Shri Krishnaya Vara Brahmane Namaha.